literally sitting at the, what do you call this, Raquel? The private plane place. I cannot believe that we're about to hop on a jet. Oh my gosh. Hop on a jet.
Gucci Prada, Louis V bag, Chevy Impala, dripping in diamonds, swimming in dough, A-list life, you know how that go.
She stay ready so she'll never have to get ready. Y'all, let me explain. This hair was in rollers. My hair was from the plate was so different. It's so different from like regular flights. My hair was in rollers. I was in the bed. And then I get a call. Can you be ready in like 2 hours? Throw everything in a bag and come. And when I tell you guys, like, God met us here. God met us here. Just when we thought this day couldn't get any better, they turned on the music. Look at Christopher. Getting the opportunity to sit in the pilot seat while the plane is on autopilot and just like to really experience everything was seriously something I will never forget. It was just a beautiful experience. Oh, the funniest thing, we got our lunch packed for us. We have ribs and chicken on a private plane. Stop playing. Stayed at the Hilton Singer Island in West Palm Beach, Florida. It's right on the beach and it's really a pretty hotel. This is where we ate breakfast, guys. It's at the Marriott. It's a cute little brunch spot. It's an indoor-outdoor option. It's connected to like their pool and everything. And the lobby is super cute. So come on with me. Hey guys, the woman of the hour. We're here, we're celebrating, we're having a great time. We just left the beach. First we had brunch at the spot I just showed you. The beach was so good. We had a really phenomenal waiter. Have a good one. Everyone here is so friendly. So nice. And God gave us another blessing because because of her looks, basically. We were supposed to pay for these like this little layout area, and he's like, you guys don't even have to pay. So that was another blessing. And now we're probably gonna just like run a few errands and maybe go to the pool, and then we're gonna go out tonight because we're trying to turn up. Okay? How cute is this? I can take one with you. The lobby. Do I need my mask on? I do, probably, huh? I will. It's the right thing to do. It's cute.
Well, Riddigan's been out here a while and it's ridiculous.
Right.
I don't think that,
Oh, it looks like the bar area is like closed. The bar area is closed, but they do still like serve breakfast down there. They have a really nice indoor-outdoor entertaining area that stays open all night and is right next to the pool, so you can have lunch there. The hotel pool was decent. It has a great location right in front of the beach. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. We are downtown, about to do our boat cruise. Look at these yachts. What I love about the downtown area in West Palm Beach, you're like right on the water. You see all the boats, and then directly across the street, you have like all these different restaurants and bars, and just a really nice place to hang out and have a good time.
Nos energía, la 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 la. Solo una noche, la 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 la. Yo me siento libre, libre de mirarte en los ojos, libre de quererte más. Yo me siento libre, libre de mirarte en los ojos, libre de quererte más. Yo no sé cómo tú te llamas, estaba mirándote, me estoy enamorada.
Hey, look, God's like, I have the money, babe. You just show up. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Literally, so freaking pretty. Right when you dock, you'll see like a bunch of restaurants to choose from. We decided to go to Bradley's Saloon. I've been there before, and it's just super cute. It's a lot of seating, and it's indoor, outdoor, and just the food is really good. And it's just a really nice little hangout spot, especially after boating. I love that you can sit outside, like kind of like all times of night. The lights were on, the TV was on. You can just sit outside and kind of hang out, and it's connected to the beach, even though it looks a little dark and scary. It's actually really pretty at night. So we decided to like not go too far out. We kind of stood right in front of like where our hotel was and just admired just God's whole beautiful artistry and how beautiful everything is. So we just stayed out there for a bit and enjoyed ourselves, took in the scenery. We decided to wake up early and catch the sunrise, and it was absolutely so pretty, breathtaking, and just a great time to like spend with God and take everything in. Sure, everyone's wondering how this trip was even possible, and we were actually thinking the same thing ourselves, but there were so many unexpected blessings that we like literally have to share. So please tune in to part 2 and like and subscribe.